guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Shantel and you're welcome to today's broadcast. How have you guys been? I'm sure you're doing very well. All right guys, I'm going to be quickly addressing this topic because it kind of topped most of the conversation on my channel this week. There's been lots of people wanting to know more about this topic, and I am willing to shed more light on it and educate people so they can avoid pitfall where necessary. Yeah, if you're joining my channel for the very first time, you are welcome. My name is Shantel and this is Shantel TV. We do lots about information in here. If what you're looking for is information about relocating abroad and whatnot, this is home for you. Kindly subscribe to what we do on this channel. Click the like button, yes, and subscribe to my channel. All right, you will not regret you did, trust me. Okay, straight to today's topic. Okay, this is actually before I go into the nitty-gritty, okay, this is a true life situation. The person involved already gave consent for me to go ahead and discuss this. Okay, now going abroad may not be an issue that both couple, I mean the husband or wife, also in major time accept to do. Most of the time is the man that push, another time is the woman that pushes for them to relocate abroad. So whichever case it is that applies to you, yes, this video is very important to you. And now when I say abroad, I'm talking about not the visitor's visa this time around. If you're going for holiday, this does not apply to you. Please pass it on to people who definitely are going to work or they are going to studies. Fine, it is very normal for couple not to agree on relocation abroad, and we've seen this happen in so many situations. And now one of the party may decide to proceed, maybe a wife who is a nurse in their back home in their country, got a job abroad and then willing to relocate, but the husband is not willing to join in that movement. Okay, now it now becomes a rancor between the family. You don't want to move with me, I want to move with my kids, I don't want to go with your kids. Yes, this issue happen a lot, and you know it is very okay for you if you're willing as one of the partner to relocate abroad and you've secured a job. It is very okay, but there is actually a pitfall to this. If it is a woman that is relocating, and most of the time they like to relocate with their children, if you've secured a job to travel abroad and work, and your partner, your husband, is not interested in joining you to go and resume that job abroad, I will want to just give a piece of my opinion here that you should rethink or make an extra arrangement before you start your processes. Okay, this family already applied. This is just the situation I've described before now. Yes, and so the wife decided to proceed with the application, knowing well that she's got a child under 18, a child that cannot stay by themselves, and you know she's got 2 children. Proceeded with the visa, applied without a husband. You know, I can always do my thing myself thing, yeah, which is very all right, but you've got to plan yourself properly. So this person applied for the visa and did not go with the husband or any arrangement for the children, 2 children that she was going to come to the UK with to resume job. She got a skilled visa, a skilled worker visa, and was meant to resume work in the UK. But the husband is not in support. He doesn't want to leave his own country, and then refused to apply with her. So what did she do? She went ahead and applied with the kids, okay? And then the visa was return requesting. Yeah, the visa was not approved because the mom was given the visa because she's got a valid employment letter from an employer in the UK who is allowed, certified to do that, to bring workers from around the world to work in the UK. So the wife was given the visa, but the child was denied visa. They asked for extra document, you know, extra information to check for the welfare of the baby you're going with. Now, here is the detail of this video for today. If you plan on coming or going abroad to work or to study, and you have children, dependent children on you, if you don't want their visas to be delayed or disrupted, it is a very good thing to do for you to make an extra arrangement for the children. Number one, if you're making this arrangement, it can come in two forms. You can either persuade their father, which is your husband, to come with you to the UK or to US, to anywhere you are traveling to, get him to apply with you as the person, a partner, your husband, who is going to be looking after the children. Okay, haven't gotten the visa, if you apply with him as a family and then you get the visa, he will come to the UK with you. He will go to the US with you, arrange for a carer or a caregiver or a childminder that will take care of the children while he takes his exit back to his home country. That is one option. Okay, and if you're not doing that, if you've done everything and your partner is not willing to toe that line with you, all hope is not lost. What you need to do is you need to get a detail of the area you are going to. Like I said to those people, lots of you that sent me messages on this issue, I told you to send me my postcode, your postcode, which some of you did, and I was able to get response of childminder in your area to you, so you could take it up from there and discuss your preference with them. So that is what you would do. Having secured your job, go further to look for the area, the postcode, details about the area you're going to live. Okay, having secured that, then you go extra mile to secure a childminder for your child, the dependent child that is going to be accompanying you to overseas, that you'll be traveling with. Okay, once you get the minder and you have an agreement with the minder, get a legal document, a paper, something to show that you have a solid arrangement with somebody who is a childminder, because the government abroad will not let you come to their country as a skilled worker and come with the baby without proper arrangement. That means something is wrong with your employment. Your employer is not a childminder. Where do you expect to keep your child? So it will look like, are you really serious? Are you really going to study? Are you really going to work? Where is your child going to be? Your child is not going to be alone, and you could take your child to work. So it becomes an issue for you at the port of entry. In fact, you may not even get to the port of entry. If you're lucky and you secure a visa from the consular in your own country, crossing the border into the country you're going is going to be a serious issue. You might be sent back because there is no arrangement for the child you're traveling with. So to avoid this, please make your findings. Do not apply for visa if you have not made proper arrangement for child minding, because your application might just hit a rock. They will approve yours who is coming to study abroad or who is coming to work abroad, and then your dependent that is left uncatered for in your application would they will push it aside and tell you to furnish them with adequate provision for the child or the children. Okay, that's the bit for today. I hope you take one or two out of this discussion, and for those who are asking me further question on this, I hope this answered your question. All right, however, if you still got question, if you still got anything to ask me, you know how you do it. Just drop message and I will get back to you. It's your girl Shantel, and this is Shantel TV, the home of information. Thank you for sticking around. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Ciao. Bye. Do have a lovely one. Bye, darlings. Bye.